By using your height, how far can you see into the horizon? Well, we can actually use Pythagoras' theorem to solve this problem. This red line here, which we're trying to find the length of, because that's the distance you can see into the horizon, that's a tangent to this circle. And remember that tangents are at right angles to the radius of the circle at that point. So if we draw an extra line in, like this, that's a right angle, and the radius of the Earth we're saying is capital R, so it's also going to be that here as well. And let's suppose we call the distance we can see into the horizon x. Because we've got 3 side lengths of a right angle triangle, we can relate them using Pythagoras' theorem. So we can say one of the shorter lengths squared, x squared, plus the other shorter length squared, capital R squared, is equal to the hypotenuse squared. Now this length here is h plus r, so we can write h plus r all squared. Now if we just expand this out and simplify, we get x squared plus r squared is equal to h squared plus 2hr plus r squared. And then you can see the r squareds cancel. And if we just square root both sides, we get that the distance we can see into the horizon is the square root of h squared plus 2hr. But the thing is, the radius of the Earth, r, is going to be a lot bigger than your own height. And so this term here, the h squared, is going to have very little impact on the value of x. And therefore we can say the distance we can see into the horizon is approximately equal to the square root of 2hr, where h is your height and r is the radius of the Earth. Now the radius of the Earth is approximately 6,378 kilometers. So if we do that in meters, it's going to be 6.3 million meters. And I'm pretty much exactly the average height for a UK male. My height is about 1.75 meters. And if I put that into my calculator, that means how far I can see into the horizon is 4,725 meters. So about 5 kilometers.